Ba-doop-a-doop, get Spirit.
Who likes promotional products?
I do.
See? Everyone. That's why they're a swell marketing tool for your business. Spirit Services can add your logo to all types of promotional products, from pens and coffee mugs to monkeys. Okay, forget the monkeys. Save 10% at getspirit.com. Just enter the coupon code RADIO at checkout. Use the coupon code RADIO and save 10% right now.
Getspirit.com. Ba-doop-a-doop, get Spirit.
Even if you swing a golf club like an arthritic moose, you can look dandy on the course. Spirit Services has swell golf apparel from the top brands, and we can add your company logo without the hidden fees others charge. Don't look like a moose. Go to getspirit.com and save 10%. Just enter the coupon code RADIO at checkout. Use the coupon code RADIO and save 10% right now.
Getspirit.com. Ba-doop-a-doop, get Spirit.
For promotional products, uniform rental, corporate apparel, mats, mops, and cleaning supplies, don't go to the bus station or corner diner. That would be silly. Instead, visit getspirit.com, your local source for the clothing and supplies your business needs. Shop our online store and save 10% at checkout when you enter the coupon code RADIO. Getspirit.com. All the fun of the bus station without the disturbing smell.
Getspirit.com.